Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can create poll on Mastodon social app. Okay, so it's really simple tutorial. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So we need to click Mastodon social app. So we need to go Mastodon and then click here social button or posting button. Here you can see this one. So click on the pencil, then you can see a type or paste what's on your mind. So we need to click here the icon, you can see this one, just click on this and it will be appeared here. So just type your opinion or question or anything. So I just write something. Do you like, okay, which site, sorry, which site you like? Okay, I'm just give here Twitter and Mastodon. Or if you want to get more option, then you need to click here the option. Here you can see this one, it is start. So if you want to add more option, then just simply click on this and the third option or even multiple option will be appeared here. So I don't need any option for this status. So I just after this click published, and you can also set duration. Okay, so you can also set duration, how many times this poll will be exist on your timeline. So you need to select this one. So I just click 1 day. Okay, and then simply click publish. And if you want to see this poll, then go to your profile page and then you can see your option. Okay, which site you like. So you can also, maybe you can't do this, it's your own poll. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.